Okay, so good day everyone. No? For today, we're going to discuss about the implementation of the information security, specifically for a business or enterprise or even the government agency. So implementing information security is crucial for protecting an organization's sensitive data and assuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information asset. As what we discussed last meeting, no, the CIA triad. So this complex practice entails the creation and implementation of policies, protocols, and technological safeguards to prevent illegal entry, disclosure, modification, and destruction of data. To initiate the information security measures, it is crucial to perform an extensive risk management to detect positive threats, vulnerabilities, and hazards to organizations' information asset. And this evaluation aids in determining the order of importance of security measures and efficiently distributing resources. Additionally, it allows firms to comprehend the potential ramifications of security incidents on their operations and reputations. After identifying the threats, now businesses must create and execute strong security policies and processes. The said policies should encompass multiple facets of information security, such as data categorization, access management, encryption, handling of security incidents, and of course, training for employees. Consistently, revising and conveying these rules is crucial to guarantee that all individuals within the corporations are cognizant of their obligations and comply with the set security protocols. Technical controls are essential in ensuring information security. Deploying access restriction, encryption, intrusion detection system, firewalls, and antivirus software aids in safeguarding against both external and internal threats. So, maintaining regular updates and patches for software and system is crucial for addressing identified vulnerabilities and improving overall security. So, therefore, continuous monitoring and evaluation are vital elements of a robust information security program. Sabi nga natin, we must have a regular audits, vulnerability assessments, and penetration testing aid in the detection of vulnerabilities in the security infrastructure and verify the proper functioning of a security controls. Furthermore, it is crucial for enterprises or organizations to remain updated on emerging threats and consistently modify their security procedures to effectively mitigate developing dangers. So, the implementation of information security is a continuously evolving process that necessitates the integration of organizational, administrative, and technical safeguards. Organization can greatly improve their ability to safeguard sensitive information and reduce security risk by performing risk assessment, creating thorough policies, implementing technical controls, and maintaining a proactive monitoring and evaluation approach to effectively mitigate potential risk and vulnerabilities. It is imperative to adopt a proactive and adapted strategy towards information security in response to the ever-changing threat landscape. Now, again, implementing information security is a complex and multifaceted process that is crucial for safeguarding an organization's sensitive data and ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Uh, or availability of information asset. So this comprehensive endeavor involves various components, starting with a thorough risk assessment. Organization must identify potential risk, vulnerability, and risk to their information asset to prioritize security measures effectively and allocate sources appropriately. Again, the risk assessment provides a foundational understanding of the potential impact of security incidents on the organization's operations and reputation. So, following the risk assessment, organization needs to develop and implement robust security policies and procedure. And these policies should cover critical aspects of information security, such as data classification, as I mentioned, access controls, encryptions, incident response, and employee training. Again, regular updates and effective communication of these policies are essential to ensure that all members of the organizations are aware of their responsibilities and adhere to established security guidelines. So, technical controls constitute a crucial element of information security. Implementing measures such as access control, encryption, intrusion, detection system, firewalls, and antivirus software helps protect against both internal and external threats. Regularly updating and patching software and system is equally vital to address known vulnerabilities and enhance the overall security posture of the organization. So continuous monitoring and evaluations are integral to maintaining an effective information security program. Regular audits, vulnerability assessment, and penetration testing help identify weaknesses and intended. So, employee education and awareness are fundamental components of information security. The employee must understand how they will be able to protect, to safeguard their data and information, specifically on their different accounts. No? Organization should invest in trainings to ensure that employees understand their role in maintaining a secure environment and recognize potential security threats. Additionally, fostering a culture of security consciousness among employees contributes to the overall success of the information security program. Collaboration and communication across departments within an organization are crucial for the successful implementation of information security. Security teams should work closely with IT, but not only IT, but even the legal person, human resource management, and other relevant department to ensure a cohesive and comprehensive approach. Because I believe it's just not only with our personal matter or personal life, but even in cybersecurity, effective communication channels help disseminate information about security policies, incidents, and the best practices throughout the organization. So, incident response planning is another critical aspect of information security implementation. Organizations should have a well-defined procedures in place to detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents promptly. No? And this includes establishing an incident response team, defining roles and responsibilities, and conducting regular drills to test the effectiveness of the response plan. Compliance with the relevant laws like Data Privacy Act, Cybercrime of 2012, E-Commerce Act, and regulations and industry standard is imperative for organizations implementing information security. Adhering to compliance requirements not only helps avoid legal consequence, but also ensures that security measures align with industry best practices. Regular assessments and audits can confirm compliance and identify areas for improvement. In the age of remote work and increased connectivity, securing the organization network infrastructure is paramount. No? because we need to implement a secure network configuration using virtual private networks. Actually, in China, you are not allowed to use uh, social media websites. But if you are using virtual private networks, then you need to pay also. And employing secure Wi-Fi protocols are essential measures to protect against unauthorized access and data breaches. Encryption is a cornerstone of information security, protecting data both in transit and at rest. Now, implementing encryption mechanism for sensitive data adds an extra layer of security, mitigating the risk of unauthorized access even if other security measures fail. So, regular backing up critical data is a fundamental practice in information security. In the event of a security incident or data loss, having up-to-date backups ensures that the organizations can recover essential information and resume normal operations quickly. As technology evolves, so do security threats. Organizations must stay informed about emerging technologies and associated risks, proactively adopting security measures to address new threats and vulnerabilities is essential for maintaining a robust information security posture. Vendor risk management is an often overlooked but critical aspect of information security. Our organization must assess the security practices of third-party vendors and service providers to ensure that they do not introduce additional risk to the organization's information assets. So, implementing a robust identity and access management system is essential for controlling user access to sensitive information. Access management or identity and access management system helps ensure that only authorized individuals have access to specific resources, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Regularly testing and effectiveness of security measures through simulated attacks and penetration testing is an proactive approach to identifying and addressing potential vulnerabilities. And this continuous testing helps organizations to stay ahead of evolving threats and enhance their overall security posture. In summary, implementing information security is a dynamic and ongoing process that requires a holistic approach. So by conducting thorough risk assessment, developing comprehensive policies, implementing technical controls, fostering employee awareness, and adapting to emerging threats, organization can establish a robust information security program. So a well-implemented security strategy not only protects sensitive data, but also enhances the organization's resilience against a constantly evolving threat landscape.